welcome at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. The bad minding don't stop. Today, we are bad mind Mr. Chin. The people are sending me posting at the papers, observer. Mechanic shop open up. Mr. Chin I run it off. Not like Mr. Chin own the mechanic shop, but then like the mechanic them are Jamaican, you know. I mean like Mr. Chin I run it off. Even the mechanic them and Mr. Chin. It has to be studied. Now people know me how to talk about things like this, so that's why them are going to send it to me. So I'm going to talk about it today. Mr. Chin say I'm going to fix it. Enough iron money and enough Irish socks and mechanics to get them business fixed too. I'm going to tell you why I think this mechanic shop. Before we go into that, I have a special Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Bubbles. Today is Bubbles' birthday. We're not talking about bubbles in that ear. We're not talking about bubbles where you blow. We're talking about bubbles from Canada. But not Winnipeg. Bubbles, no say I tune in. Spooky thing is, she actually sent me a message and said, look YouTuber, you see this yet? And I see same thing we talk about now. That's why, you see, the PA and the Patreon squad, they know look YouTuber, you know. They know look YouTuber. So Bubbles, big up yourself. We are tuned in. One more year on this sun. We share many more to come. That's Bubbles and the Patreon squad. Today was supposed to be a video about the dopey back them, the Sparta dopey back them, and I'm gonna be about. I think that video is better suited for your Sunday. So I'm change it up. But we talk about Mr. Chin. But first, let me show you a video with me see. Check this out.
The Jamaican mechanic there in a problem now because guess what? The facility a be a Chinese mechanic. Just look at it. State of the art facility just opened. Down a machine and don't come in. And look at them. Any iron vehicle wanna have problem but we wanna can't find. Just look at it. It's just come out this morning and the man in an engine already. Oil, service parts, you have to kill. No machinery. And a lot of them soon come. Any vehicle, as long as they have on 4 or 6 wheel or 10 wheel, we're ready for them. Low end to high end, see there, everything then sort out. Service parts and rare. Yeah man, they're ready for everything. Any vehicle you have, any problem where you can't find. Then do electrical work, mechanical. And while you wait, you're waiting a comfort and style. AC.
Now, I've said this before. Mr. Chin is basically taking advantage of an opportunity to MC before him eyes them. Mr. Chin see an opportunity for name a food off a society that prioritized entertainment and glorified dunce culture. Mr. Chin knows say in China, he's not the best mechanic around. He's not the best of anything. But while he accepts that he probably can't compete with the top mechanics in China, but he probably go hear about enough of the mechanic them in an Iron Man. And realize the food can name. Food can name till belly bust. Long time me I want, trade man. Trade men, trade women. Long time me I want, certain style wanna have, certain things wanna get to it for too long. Mr. Chin and them no found no food. I think this business is going to shot like a rifle from Carlston. But me not go there same way. Me not go there. But me know say enough people are go there. They're full. I'm just being honest, they're full. They're ram. Mr. Chin figure out, Billy Joe figure out, Mr. Singh figure out. As me say, certain cultural attitudes that exist in Iron Man, and it's especially rampant within people who do trade work in Iron Man. It's only a matter of time before he come back. Go on. No fun. And let me say on top of it, Mr. Chin realize, hold on, them people are prioritized entertainment. Them people are prioritized dunce culture. It's a eater food culture, it's a broker man food culture. I said it before. If Jamaicans could go China and make a bag of money off a bag of Chinese people, they would. It's because they can't. It's because you can't. You can't go to China and flip the script. You can't. At least not in large numbers. You got always have a 1 and 2 Iron Man with us. Skill like that, but large numbers like Chinese in large numbers drop an Iron Man and do all kind of things, it's not gonna happen. No, Iron Man mechanic guy, nobody stress out yourself. I'm gonna tell you why no phone are for it right now. Earlier I mentioned that this mechanic shop or body shop or whatever they do, I think it'll go work, but I'm telling you, I'm not go there. You know why? Because I'm not need to go there. My mechanic is competent, honest, and reliable. I have to be one of the luckiest Iron Man and them on earth because I know so enough people can relate. So that's why when time I say I not go there, I talk to myself, but I know so enough I not go there because I have some terrible experiences with mechanics and trade people in Iron Man. My mechanic are general. So you don't find me down at Mr. mechanic shop or body shop. But I'm not naive enough to think that Iron Man is full of these amazing, honest. And this is not just about mechanics, this is about trade people as a whole in Iron Man. Trade man, trade woman. The truth is, enough of them vile. I know that because I've had my fair share of experiences that make you want pop out the ear them off for your face. Pop out the ear them off for your head. Pop out the ear them under your arm. Pop off all the ear them off for your seed bag. When time you're done, deal with some of these trade men. Your blood pressure have to go through the roof. Your blood pressure gone through the roof. Earlier I mentioned competent, honest, and reliable. You're lucky if you find somebody who have one. Enough Iron Man, trade man, only have one, you know. Competent, in bad pan the work. But he lie and he wicked and he vile. Nobody talk about unreliable. You see him today and you can't see him until 2027. But that's why I think I must be one of the luckiest Iron Manians. Am I a mechanic? Competent, honest and reliable? Or maybe because him knows me. I wonder if I saw him steal everybody. I've got to do some research. I've got to do a survey. But Mr. Chin realized that Iron Saxons are turning them back on trade. Just want to get up every day and clean it out. Man, I say I want to you, man. A dirty work that man have to clean. Clean every day. Alright, Mr. Clean every day. But then them same people they right now go on ball boy. You see, Mr. Chin come in and Mr. Chin come in. Mr. Chin realize there's an opportunity and he's taking advantage of it. Mr. Chin don't care about you. Mr. Chin has no loyalty to you. Mr. Chin loyalty is to him belly, him pocket, and him people in back in China. That's his loyalty. Just from reading the comments on this post on Observer, making us enough Jamaicans sick of them mechanic and them body man and them spray man and them people there. Sick of them. Enough people have all right to. Now, personally, you know I'm stay already. Right? I don't like to see things like this. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I can't pretend like the idea of a mechanic shop full of beer Chinese man is something that put a smile on my face. It's not. But Mr. China go tell me say, I bad mind him and him only did it if there wasn't a demand feet in the market. And me not got no response. Me go only can tell him say, yo, Jamaica's supposed to have this and Jamaicans. But I tell me say, guy, the reason why my shop pull up is because Jamaicans are go there, nobody not force them to go there. And the reason why the run go there is because the demand high. Why the demand high? And it's my fault your people them not do the work. And it's my fault people think say your people them are thief and dishonest. And it's my fault people think say your people them customer services, dog feces. And it's my fault. That's what Mr. Chinny say. What me I gonna do? Thump him in the mouth? The reality is a lot of Jamaicans have terrible experiences dealing with them own countryman, countrywomen when it comes on to them type of work there. Mechanic work, spray man, body man, carpenter, mason them people, the plumber. Enough of them are quite simply vile. Some of the wickedest people I ever see. Man, they look in your eye with a straight face and lie to you. Say you go a shop, say you go a parts store, go buy 500,000 things and you only need one. Worse them say you want woman and you not come in no man side of you. Dog near me for that supper. But the mechanic man them who know them work. Nah, nothing for worry about. In my opinion, the mechanic man them who know their work. Good mechanic in Jamaica. Nah, nothing for worry about. Because your mechanic is like your barber. Me don't know no man will just get up and change mechanic just so. Most people when them find a mechanic, we can do the work and get the job done. And now dig out them eye and now break them foot. Them keep that mechanic right through. People don't just get up and change mechanic. It come like if me say one Chinese barber shop open. If one Chinese barber shop open in Iron Man, just be a Chinese man in there, I cut ear. You can't pay me go there, so. Because me have no reason for switch from my barber. Once your barber good and you rate your barber, you don't go nowhere else. So if you see somebody just get up and left them barber, get up and left them mechanic, and just gone somewhere else, it's because they don't have a good experience. People don't just left and gone a mechanic shop, so. I must traumatize them traumatized. Remember I said this is not no high level government contract because remember I said at the bigger level, we know say Mr. Chin get certain deals so Mr. Chin no fear get. And big guy I work with Mr. Chin and so. But that's not what's happening here. This is some regular thing. This is some regular mechanic shop. And our regular people have got choose to go in there. So everybody will go in at this is not no victim. Everybody will use this mechanic shop is no victim. They might choose to go in there. Enough mechanic will hear a ball. Them not tell us that them broke the people in foot. Them not tell us that them incompetent, unreliable, and dishonest. Good mechanic in an Iron Man now have nothing to worry about. As an Iranian, me want to see Jamaican get mechanic work. Me want to see Jamaicans and them want to see a fixed engine. People are going to do what is best for them. And if people think Mr. Chin can give them better service and better this and that, and don't break them foot, then, and then them gone to him, and keep going back to him, then, what me I going to do? Fight them? The Trademan Association in Jamaica need for the better. Is there something called so? Trademan Association in Jamaica? As a born and raised Iranian who has dealt with all kind of tradesmen in Ironman, whether you talk about carpenter, mason, electrician, plumber, whether you talk about technician, whether you talk about mechanic, I've dealt with them all and I can tell you, some of them have a special place in the Iron Heaven. Vile. The culture of dishonesty, the culture of eater food, the culture of broken man foot, if you can, is rampant in Iron Man, guy. And of course, you'll find this anywhere in the world, but it break your heart more when it's a fellow Jamaican. If me go Uzbekistan, and a dopey bat in Uzbekistan broke my foot, I would be in Uzbekistan saying that me get come too enough. I look how far me gone, but me gone a mechanic. But when a fellow Jamaican do it to you, it cut different, guy. Vile. The culture and mindset is, once me can take advantage of somebody, do it. Once me can broke a man foot, do it. Eat a food now. Remember say you go find out say my teeth, you know. You go find out say him teeth, you know, but he doesn't care as long as him eat a food now. Him just want to eat a food off for you one time. You see, if the dopey bat did have sense, him just deal with people good, and then him get one customer for 20 years. But him not have time for that. Him only think about the next party where him want go and which clothes him want buy if he go there. Him only think about the next concert him want go and which liquor him want go drink in there. So now him only have him mindset for one figure him want make 120,000 fast. And the next 10 customer him get, him don't tell himself him are broke every single one of them foot and cheat them out of 20,000 and then get the money fast and go party it off. And that's the next thing we treat man the Iron Man. Mechanic, plumber, mason man. If they make $1 million in one day, by next week them broke again. Between partying, rum, neagle eye, cash pot, that half left them pocket fast. And as him broke again, I saw him go broke somebody foot again. But understand there's a difference between poor and broke. Enough people were broke not poor enough. They just have poor money management. Good work man. Good mechanic, now have nothing to worry about. Me don't know no man, no woman. We just get up and change mechanics. So. Me don't know nobody. We are going to hear someone Chinese man have a mechanic shop. and have them good mechanic and just say, yo, me gone and Mr. Chin mechanic chop here, man. Just so, in my opinion, the only people them who have to fret right now are the mechanic them who know say them broke people foot right through. Who know say them unreliable right through. Know say them incompetent right through. And the brother in the video sound very confident that Mr. Chin business place. And it sound like the way my talk is like Mr. Chin reinvent mechanic work. And who knows, maybe they really are good, but you not catch me down. But as me say, I can only speak from my experience. Because my mechanic are general. Or at least my mechanic them are general. Because you don't ever one man is specialized in one thing and next man specialized in one thing. But my mechanic now have nothing to worry about. Maybe you're one afraid right now. And him know why I'm afraid. High level, government level, big level. Certain deals that get struck with Mr. Chin and certain deals that get struck with Billy Joe and all them thing there. We always start with them thing there. Right. It's vile. But this is not no high level thing. This is a mechanic shop. Anybody free if you go in there and anybody free if you don't go in there. And if somebody go in there, and them want to go spend their money. Me can't beat them. Me can't throw them and fight them. And them know why they go in there. But these things will happen to you Irish Saxons. Because you're a nation of entertainment, groupie sheep. Mr. Chin figure out. Mr. Chin realize all he care about is vibes and fun. Enterprise, innovation, creation. None time for that, a nerd thing that. Man sit down all day and watch be a TikTok video and watch be a tune and war over who for tune better than who for tune. You see me Jamaicans got a foreign and see opportunity and take advantage of it. If it's these type of Chinese man, Jamaica are foreign. Unu might not rate Jamaica, unu might think the Jamaica are nothing. Right. Because we know say the least excuse unu don't need Jamaica. Well guess what? Mr. Chin see it as foreign. And Mr. Chin see it as opportunity. And everything unu run left, Mr. Chin ready for run go pick up. And you not find me down there. Patreon squad big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.